5.2 earthquake, Philippines Sea, Indonesia, on Sunday, September 25, 2022 at 7:16 p.m. GMT +8, local time 30 minutes ago. According to the German Saarch Geoscience for Geological Survey. Updated, September 25, 2022 11:28 Greenwich Mean Time 17 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, new, seismograms, user reports, aftershocks, earlier quakes here, quakes in Indonesia, quakes in the Philippines, SOCCSKSARGEN, North Sulawesi, North Maluku. Moderate magnitude 5.2 earthquake at 142 kilometers depth. Please like, share, SB, subscribe and press bell in our channel for more information. KHTV.